Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the device. Enable app installs from unknown sources or use Play Store if present, and make a quick backup of your current font and settings so you can revert. Once done, install the Zfont APK and separately obtain the iOS emoji pack that matches your Android version. Compatibility prevents broken characters. Make sure you have basic storage space and a stable connection. This initial setup reduces risk and puts the tools where you need them to begin applying the emoji set. Open Zfont, grant the app necessary permissions, and navigate to the iOS emoji pack you downloaded. You'll preview how emojis replace the system symbols. This helps you confirm visual expectations. After preview, choose Install or Apply and follow the on-screen prompts. Zfont may offer non-root and root methods, so select the one matching your device. If your phone supports direct font change, the app will queue and install the pack. If not, Zfont will guide you through the alternative method step by step, explaining each prompt. After applying the pack, reboot your device to finalize the font swap and test emojis in messaging apps. If some emojis are missing or appear as boxes, don't panic. Clear the app and system cache and reapply the pack because cache conflicts often cause display issues. If problems persist, restore your backup and try the alternate install route, root versus non-root, that Zfont offers. The key troubleshooting tip: always clear caches and reapply once before rolling back to avoid unnecessary restores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.